grinning and sit down.
Are your bowels unhappy? What about those blue herbs I dried for you?
My bowels are perfectly happy. I'm trying to turn you into a civilized human being.
Oh, I think you're doing very well, Master. I feel more civilized every day. The more we talk, the more civilized I feel.
And the more you talk, the angrier I get.
If you feel angry, Master, please don't hide it.
Don't condescend to me. Now listen. I've decided to do something about your black ignorance and superstition. Now, every day after your morning's work, there will be a teaching time.
Good, good. I want to learn.
But teaching time will be different from our old talking time. I will do the talking because I am the teacher.
And
if you want to talk, you will raise your hand. And if I want you to talk, I will observe that your hand is raised, and I will say, yes, Friday, what do you want to say? And only then will you be permitted to talk. But yet, I haven't even started. Put your hand down. You will raise your hand only when it's absolutely necessary, only when there is something you do not understand. Oh, put it down! The lesson hasn't even begun. Today, I'm going to teach you about education. Education. From the Latin, duco, I lead. Good question. What is Latin? Latin is a language which is spoken by the Romans. Yes, the Romans were a people who many years ago lived in Italy. Italy is a large country near England which is shaped like a boot. The Romans had a great deal of education.
Be thy name. Good night.
Yes,
The Romans used to live in Italy, shaped like a boot?
correct.
Where do the Romans live now?
The Romans are all dead now. Well, that's not the point about the Romans. The point about the Romans is they had a great deal of education.
I feel sorry for the Romans.
Friday, if you forget to raise your hand again, you will be punished. Yes,
What is punished?
punished. It's not only a principle of education, Friday, it's a principle of life. It means to hurt someone because they have done something bad. It's not my invention, Friday. God punishes. If we live a bad life, then when we are dead, God punishes us. But a teacher can't wait until his pupil is dead, so a teacher punishes as soon as a pupil is bad.
How does he punish?
Friday, you didn't raise your hand. That is very bad. You will now be punished.
Ah,
Stand over there. Hold out your hand. Friday, that's very wrong. You must learn to take a punishment like a man.
I am a man. Look, if someone does something bad to someone else, they are punished. Is that right?
Yes.
Well, the stick did something bad to my hand, so my hand punished the stick.
Pick up the pieces.
You must learn to take your punishment like a stick.